Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
Senate President Contemporary and Senator Baden Piggy and Senator Mike Mao Habuwa, Senator Waka Woguaya, members of the National Assembly and State Assembly that are here, and the Archbishop of the Niger Delta, Archbishop Blessing Inda, leaders of our party in the state, chairman of the Èxpøśèd local government, council and members of your team, the chairman of the River State Traditional Rulers Council and members of the State Traditional Rulers Council, the Newell Omarelu, and members of your council, our dear women, our dear youths, gentlemen of the press, the running mates of the gubernatorial candidate of our party, Professor Ngozi Odo, gentlemen of the press, ladies and gentlemen. I call Anmeka. I call Anmeka. Anmeka. You know what Aka. Your Excellency, our dear guests, let me on behalf of the government and people of the state thank you and your wife and members of your delegation who have come today to honor us in spite of a short notice to you. You agreed to be here with us today in Omarelu community in Èxpøśèd local government area to commission these internal roads that is not less than 13.3 kilometers. Your Excellency, let me say clearly, when I was a member of council, State Executive Council, the commission of lands is from this community. And frankly speaking, the truth must be told. The governor then, or from this local government, the commissioner pleaded, and I must say it, pleaded that, look, how can I be a commissioner and we're from the same local government? This is one of the communities that make up our local government. Please help us and do the internal routes. I really pitied the commissioner then. And of course, that was not done. So when I was campaigning, I did say to the people of Omarelu, okay, support me. If you support me, and God willing, I become the governor of River State, I must do these internal roads. So when I came, and they were saying, what's going to be up to now? I've not seen the internal roads. I said, be patient. Melembe. When your time comes, nobody can stop you. So last year, precisely, we awarded this road, and I said, listen, finance will not be a problem. We are going to do in such a way that the contractor will have no excuse to say, look, I left the site because there was no money. So I tied it to an ISP irrevocable standing payment order. Every month, deduct this from us, so the contractor has no business to come to us. We are looking for money, and we paid. In fact, we finished paying before the contractor finished. So we are not owing. We are not owing. In fact, as the contractor finished, one of the leaders here cried to me, said, "Look, you are going. How can you be here? There's another one leading to my own place, my road. Please help me. Help me." I said, "The road, won't you? We did not finish." He said, "Only my own, it will be a shame." In fact, as far as the man was online here to welcome you. I don't want to call his name. So, that's okay. Contractor, we should go to that side too. So we have paid. In fact, the contractor said, "Oh no, you have to make adjustment." As I was leaving the house, contractor, I want to say, that small one, we have also approved for them to give you that remaining money. So that you will say, we don't want to owe at all. But what is important, like I've always said to everybody, I'm supporting Party A. I'm supporting Party B. I'm supporting Party C. What are we going to benefit as a people? What are we going to benefit as a people? Not me. Not me. Because there's no amount of money I will get that I share to the whole community. But what the community needs, the basic amenities, basic infrastructure, that will change the socio-economic activities of the area. And so, I'm sure the people of Omelu will say that this administration, we have come to you, we have made promise to you, and we have fulfilled the promise we have made to you. And that is what governance is all about. It's not those who will come and tell you stories upon stories. In fact, when the contractor was going on with the project, there was a problem. I heard there was one juju man that was giving problem. I sent somebody to the juju man. I said, "Come, my friend. If you don't go and remove that juju there, you know whom I am." We are talking about something that will help you. I mean, we say, juju, what is that? Do you know whom I am? I'm greater than all the juju put together, so don't go and try that kind of thing there. We are talking about benefit. People say you have juju. When you see the greatest juju. So I thank the people of Omelu for owning up this project. I thank the youth for giving support to the contractor to finish it. There are some communities, the contractor would have said, "Okay, since people don't want me to do the job, let me go." And I thank the chairman of council who have shown somewhat passion and commitment. When he gives any project to his local government, he takes it personal. And that is what it's supposed to be. So I thank him for running around the people. Let me tell you something you must understand in life. And for those of you who are coming up in terms of leadership, you cannot be liked now. Even those who are your seniors will jealous you. Something they cannot do, you have done. They won't be happy with you. But don't be worried. What's important is, are your people happy? Yes. If your people are happy, why are you worried about anybody jealousing you? People like us, as they see us here, they are not happy. It's not my business. If the people are happy, I'm happy. It doesn't matter whether they have high blood pressure or not. It's not my business. Because doctors must also make money. So let them continue to have high blood pressure and go to hospital, and doctors will charge them. So, Ancient of days, Lord, as you are. do not know why I sang that song now. In time like this, you call the person who has always stood, who has never changed, who will always be with you, not men who will change from second to second, from minute to minute, from hour to hour. But call him, he will never change. He will still be whom he is. I'm happy that we have delivered the promises we have made to our people. As special guest of honor, it's unfortunate. Today, somebody said, where were you when you founded the party? That those of you who said the right thing must be done were boys, they are children. You can imagine what power can do. You can imagine how ingratitude, how people can be ingrates in their life. I thought, as a party, as a chairman of a party who wants to win an election, your business is to bring peace to your party. Your business is not to divide your party. Your business is not to show arrogance to your party. Doctor, you said we are children. Yes, the children brought you to be chairman of the party. The children brought you from the gutter. The children brought you from the what? Gutter. To make you chairman, it is the children. You were impeached as Senate President. You were sacked by Obasanjo in his administration 2 times. Arrogance cannot take you to anywhere. Now we are saying that you don't want the party to win election. We will help you. These children you say we are, these boys we are, that brought you from nothing. Nothing. I said from nothing. We brought you. You say you founded this party, but you left the party. You left the party in 2007. You founded a company, you left the company. People stood and brought out the company to what it is today. You have no moral right to still come and claim that you founded that party and that company. You left with your shares. Other shareholders have come in. I don't expect there are people, look, you want to show integrity. You want to show a party to Nigeria that we want to take over. You must convince Nigerians that we have integrity. You are the driver that will drive the vehicle to convey us to our destination. That is the victory we are looking for. If the driver has no integrity, if the driver cannot show honesty, how do you convince Nigerians? We were not the ones who said, you were the one who said, and then when they talk about integrity, you said, when so thing happens, I will do so thing. Now what you said has happened. Why not show as a man of honor, as a man of integrity, by telling Nigerians what I promised you I will do, and now have come to do. If now you told Nigerians something, you cannot do it. Is it when you enter into power that you will do it? Simple. On your own volition. You are the one who said to Nigerians, we are the ones who championed that the chairmanship should be zoned to the north. Even though most of my colleagues from the south refused it, who said the chairmanship should go to the north. People like our leader, Bode George is here. He's one of those who said, look, this is what ought to be done and should be done. Where were you? You were sleeping in your house. You were calling me virtually every second per second. Thank you, my brother. My brother. Oh. Haba. You said I'm a boy. Shema Kende is a boy. Autumn, your brother, who signed on your behalf, is a boy. Abia is a boy. Eric is a boy. Today, all those who brought us chairman, they are all boys. Nigerians have seen how ungrateful some of you can be. And that's why Nigerians also want to be careful. If we give this man power, if we give these people power, are you sure they will also be grateful to Nigerians? As you make your bed, so you lie on it. It's not me. I've kept quiet thinking that we will reconcile. Now that you have brought arrogance to say you were elected, where did you campaign? Show me where your poster was anywhere in this state. Even though we gave you money to go and do poster, you put it in your pocket. It's unfortunate. I said, I will not speak until after commissioning project. I will tell Nigerians what you told us at the appropriate time. The Nigerians will know the kind of characters that want to come into power. It's not using Nigerians. It's not using Nigerians. I'm not interested with your chairman. All I'm interested, fulfill what you said. That is all. Stop using Nigerians. You think you are too smart? You've used us? No problem. No problem. Nigerians are waiting. Nigerians are watching. So, for us, let nobody bother. We are not people who are afraid of fight. When any fight comes, we will fight. And we will win at the end of the day. So, because our simple money from the primaries we made, about 14 billion, that is why I won't resign. Nothing more, it's just 14 billion in the account to nothing. Let me preside over the expenditure. That's all. Integrity matters in life. Anything I say to you, I cannot go back. I will tell you, I'm sorry I've made this commitment, even though it may not be the best, but I've made the commitment. And as a man of honor, as a man of integrity, I have to do it. And that's what they call a man. It's not for you now to come and start using television, social media, speaking in outside BBC. If you like, speak in Yoruba BBC. Speak in anything you want to speak. You can't come to River State and take our vote now. You can't. Go and deliver Benue first. Now you said your governor was a boy. I don't know why all those who left the party are those who are claiming to be founders of the party. I can't understand it. Look at Bode George, who has suffered. Sometimes they take away the state working committee, does not have the structure. He has never left the party one day. Never. Never. He said, it doesn't matter I cannot see this party I labored for. I will not leave. And he has remained in the party since 1998 till now. But people like you, small thing, they run away from the party. I will join Action Congress, where you have the presidential candidate under APC today. You are talking to people who salvaged the party as small children. Because there's 14 billion in PDP account. To share it will finish. It will do what? Finish. So, let nobody bother himself. We have told Nigerians this is who we are. We don't play left or center. No, we're one place. And there's nothing as important as people knowing you, knowing the kind of person you are, what you will take and what you will not take. Now where people say, we don't know, this is telling us, are you sure? Don't be using Nigerians to sell. I will tell Nigerians the arrogance, why you would think you will win without us. No one will tell Nigerians at the appropriate time. Politics is not the way you look at it. That thing that's giving you that hope, that you think that you don't need states like us, don't worry. At the appropriate time. I've never seen leadership. A man who says he wants his party to win the election. And instead of you to see how he can go down apologizing to people. I'm sorry, I made the mistake. I'm sorry, it was not what I meant. I'm sorry, for the sake of us. Is arrogantly telling us that we are children. A man who's inconsistent and ran away from the party, telling those of us who spent our time sleepless night to make sure this party does not go down. Now had the temerity, the audacity to tell us we are children. We will tell you it is those children. You are the prodigal father. Hire all the media mongols. Hire all the social media top people. Write whatever you can write. It will not save you. If you like, carry all the television houses that are working for you. It will not bother me at all. I will do what my conscience tells me to do. And what is right for our people. If not, it's only in Nigeria that you come and see people talk. A man that was impeached, a man that was sacked, a man that ran away from the party is now coming to say, I was the founding member of the party. Then you run away. Then those who struggle to stay, to make sure that the prodigal father came now see that the children had built the house. He asked the children, come on, you should go away. I was the builder of this house. Look at it. So, as far as I just said, do not be embarrassed that I have to make this statement here. But really, I will take time out very soon to let Nigerians know whom we are, whom these characters are, what they said, what they are now doing before the public. Nigeria will be shocked to know characters like Ayu, whom we didn't know before. I will ask him a question on television, challenge me on a debate, see what he told the governor, see what they are saying now. Money is a very bad thing, you see money. I've never seen how money can make people to forget their root, where they are coming from. Ordinary, this one. Nigerians, shine your eyes. Nigeria, shine your eyes.